Meaning of glove.
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 Glove. Glove refers to a covering for the hand that is typically made of fabric or leather. It provides protection and warmth for the hands, and can also be used for various activities such as sports, gardening and household chores. Gloves come in different styles and designs depending on their intended use, such as work gloves, driving gloves, or fashion gloves. They can also have additional features such as touchscreen compatibility or waterproofing. Overall, gloves are a practical and versatile accessory that has been used by humans for centuries.